here. So I'm going to show you the mechanism for the wiper card. So I've got the dies here. So this is the piece that we need. And it's a very, very simple mechanism. It's just a little bit, we need to show you where the folds are so that you can get it to work correctly. And with this set, you also get a few sort of decorative words and dies. So we'll pop that to one side because I've already cut my wiper piece, and you can see we've got some score lines. Now all we need to do is fold these score lines. So this center one, and this will be the piece that lines up with the center of the inside of your card. Now we've got another one here and here. We're just going to reinforce those a little bit. And we've also got one here as well. We'll just give that a little reinforce. So once that's done, the mechanism should hopefully automatically pop when we fold it. And we just need to reinforce that a little bit more just to get that crease nice. Just fold that and that, and then there we go. So once it's all folded in, that's what it will look like. Now you can see I've already put some tape on this section, and I've already put some tape on this section. Now if you want to make a smaller card and put this into a smaller card, there are little notches that are lined up along this long strip, and you can just cut along these lines to make this section smaller. So I've already, this is my card base. This is going to be for the inside, and we're just going to take our backing off our tape and make sure this fold line is lined up along the center of your card fold line. And we're just going to make sure that's nice and straight inside the card. We'll pop that side down, and then you can see how the mechanism works when you fold the card. We'll give that a good press. Now I've just made a little decoration just to go inside, just to show you how this works. We're going to pop this on. So we'll just use a little bit of tape for that. You can decorate this with any of your decorative dies, all of your words and shapes. So we pop that about there, and then that will fold in and close. And then when you open your card, that's how it pops up. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you'll give it a go.